Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you Malachite kitchens, interior design ideas. Emerald elegance for luxe homes. Imagine stepping into a kitchen, very deep green, swirls catch the light like hidden gems. Malachite, that bold stone with its rich patterns, turns ordinary spaces into showstoppers. It's no wonder designers love it for high-end kitchens, far more exciting than plain marble or quartz. Introduction: the reign of rich green in modern kitchen design. Malachite grabs attention with its deep green bands and silky texture. This natural stone screams luxury, like a forest gel polish for you counters. It's popping up in upscale kitchens everywhere, replacing safe whites with something alive and vibrant. Home trends now lean toward earthy tones that feel fresh. Malachite nails this vibe. It's bold yet timeless. Think of it as the star of your kitchen, pulling eyes and sparking chats at dinner parties. As we move forward, we'll break down how to source it, apply it, and keep it looking sharp. You see why it's worth the splurge for a kitchen that wows. Understanding Malachite, material, aesthetics, and sourcing. The unique characteristics of natural malachite. Malachite forms from copper deposits, creating those swirling green patterns that look like abstract art. Its hues range from soft jade to intense emerald, with cloudy bands adding depth. This mix gives it a high-end feel, like wearing a rare necklace. What sets it apart? The stone's natural variations. No two slabs match exactly. That uniqueness screams custom luxury. To pick the right one, grab samples under different lights. Check for strong patterns and true color depth. This way, your kitchen gets that perfect pop without surprises later. Malachite vs engineered alternatives, porcelain and quartz. Natural malachite shines in durability and one-of-a-kind looks, but it soaks up stains if not sealed well. It's pricey too, often $100 to $200 per square foot. Engineered options like porcelain or quartz copy the green swirls with ease. They tough against spills and cheaper at half the cost. Yet fakes lack the soul of real stone. A top stone supplier notes. Clients crave the real thing. For that authentic touch, demand on natural malachite jumped 40% last year. Go natural if budget allows. Otherwise, quartz works for busy families. Balance your choice based on how much you cook and clean. Budget considerations: where to splurge and where to save. Full malachite slabs can eat up thousands, especially for big counters. Save cash by limiting it to key spots. Use it for a single island top, then switch to affordable quartz elsewhere. Accent pack a punch without breaking the bank. Try malachite tiles on a backsplash or pulls on drawers. This keeps the emerald vibe alive at a fraction of the price. Track you spend, splurge on visible areas, save on hidden ones like floors. Thanks for watching. If you liked these malachite kitchen ideas, please share with your friends and subscribe. You've been watching the interior design channel. Sam Good Design.